Good day, folks. How are we doing today? Just got myself a new head mount so I can do POVs. So we're gonna see how this works out. Anyhow, don't mind the mess. I still haven't fully organized this place yet. And of course, there's the indoor flowering tent by SpiderFarmer. It's a 27 inch by 27 inch, so it's slightly bigger than 2x2. Of course, she got the exhaust fan. Everything came in the kit. I love it. It's absolutely awesome. This is another staging area where I start some seeds and stuff. Usually most of my garden seeds in the spring. Rooting hormone, trimming scissors. A little bit of peppermint oil, because you never know when you might need that. Of course, the good old Raid. That helps keep the bugs down, and it's only pyrethrum, so it's not very toxic. And of course, that stuff right there is handy. Good old diatomaceous earth. I love it. Been doing a little bit of work on the computer, getting everything touched up on the channel, making sure all the background shit's going well. Here's my new seed storage container. Just bought. Filled it up yesterday with my current strains. Got some more on the way. Looking forward to that. I've ordered some autoflowers from Seedsman, so we're still waiting on those. Wonderful thing. Spare camera phone for doing time lapse and stuff. But anyhow, this is my other tent. We got her all set up so we can start the indoor stuff this year. Get those garden seeds on the go, usually around March or April. Got a little bit of a circulatory fan up in there. That's a SpiderFarmer 100-watt light. Got a Vivo Sun 10x10 mat in there. Or 20x20. I can't remember. I think it's 20x20. I just got these in. 3-gallon cloth pots. And some proper self-watering trays. Yeah. I think they'll work awesome. They got the wick system in them. We're gonna give them a go anyway. A lot cheaper than the name brand crap. Anyhow, in the next few weeks, that's what we'll be doing. Hopefully the extra beans show up soon. And then probably in late March it'll be time to start garden seeds, peppers, tomatoes. As you can tell, I also do art, watercolor artist. That's not actually a desk, that's my art table. Where's all my brushes and stuff.